playing softly and gently in the background. Music playing softly and melodiously, gently in the background. Live well, practice celibacy. Tamil-speaking individuals follow Brahmacharya. Humble greetings to all kind-hearted individuals. Greetings, dear brothers, successfully. Today I have reached the 10th day. In 18-day challenge, many brothers have completed 10, getting through the days with mental strength. I fully believe that you would have come. I believe many have surpassed 100 days. You have arrived, but the beginning, those in the initial stages, 2 days, 3, 1 day, toiling like this, you have definitely completed 18 days. It is very easy for you to get through. Travel with the matter at hand. Many brothers asked various questions. You have an answer for everything. We can say at the same time the first 18 days, it's not an ordinary thing, it's very difficult. You have to bring it with hard work because we got to know each other, do you understand? A specific habit like that. We have been caught in the illusion. Just because the mind got a little bored, go fall into that garbage pit. Caught in the habit, that's why the woman. Pleasure itself is the ruin of our life. Patinathara's obstacle to progress. All the siddhars have said.
During the time.
That is in reality with women. Marriage distances people, making them resent. To that extent, a sublime. Our ancestors who were in the state. All these habits like self-indulgence. When looking for him, how much? They will look at it with disgust. Think about it. Look at these things like self-indulgence. In front of parents. Think about whether you can do it. We do things secret. That means it is a bad thing to hide. When we do things in secret, it is akin to theft. Dear young men and beloved brothers, understand everything because through this, what we lose is our father's hard work. Most of us, this video, there are about 25 people watching. Those who are of school age, college students should think carefully. Look at much effort mom and dad have put in. Our parents are making sure we get an education. How much they struggled back then for their food, cooking and everything like our 3 meals a day. And become a living cell, a treasure available within us, improving ourselves. They believe that we will come, but what are we doing in pursuit of pleasure? Live a life like royalty. We are getting lost in momentary pleasures. Brothers, it is Brahmacharya, the ultimate unmarried individual, a drop of his seminal energy without reason. Wasting energy without purpose is a crime, as Mahatma Gandhi himself said. Is he there now? The one who brought freedom to nation. How far can someone called the father of a nation go? Did he experience it? The importance of Brahmacharya. He would have spoken about his, in the entirety of life, only 2. Struggle is only for 2 struggles. Did he say he had a life? For the country to gain independence. Another thing for Brahmacharya. The hardships he endured for Brahmacharya. They hid all the struggles. It's not that they hid it. No need to carry it like that. They have arrived, but certainly for the youth. Brothers, it is necessary to have mental strength today. Every day disciplined in Brahmacharya. Living a life by celibacy's principles. Let's go to the Q&A session of the brothers. Let's check everything is in order. But I have a doubt. I am good every day. I am here, but sometimes I even feel like dying, brother. Why, brother, this is happening and all is living. On Mondays, eat well and everything. Living things also eat well. Why is he sleeping peacefully, brother? Any human beings, this human beings are wandering around calling it love. Please let me know without hesitation, brother. Live long and prosper. Brothers, that is, in our younger days, constantly competing. The competition has grown, meaning an elder brother, even if a younger brother, see how the elder brother is. You who are studying, remain as you are. In comparison, it is a whole community. It has come in all times. It exists, but how in this era? If it's 1,000, it's our individual. To live peacefully. Forgetting the matter and learning moral lessons, that is just at an acceptable level. The existing education system, what has happened now after keeping it? The race for money, money, money. If you get it, you get everything. They think, but it's like a John in the stomach. How much rice do you need to fill? In some governments, it's even free. They are giving rice, so then this, as much as the stomach needs, so is clothing. Teams needed need the right place. There is a limit to everything. It is not there, but man is not enough for life, moreover his own. Even 7 generations won't be enough for the heirs. Generation 1,000 crore, 2,000 crore, 100 crore. Are you completely crazy to keep all that? What are you going to do with the money you saved? Money, money, poor Ambani and Adani. That's why those crazy people are running around, looking at the score. Oh, how many of you are there? Are you something special or another one? Are you planning to live for 1,000 years? Life is very short, this small, this. To live life with self-awareness. There is no harm in understanding oneself, but they are running around here as well. And then looking at all of us. It's a pity, he is very rich. Rajinikanth will say it in a song, if you have money your neck, then you are the one. The boss only cares about money. If it's gone, then that's it for us. Has the boss become money-minded? They are going to a situation where they control us. Just like not knowing the measurement, think about what this love is. A mosquito all night long, this light. Cleaning for the light and the next day, looking at the sunlight, rushing until death, then dying. Some people say it will fall. They said they would be there, but they didn't show up. Memory is the same way as a man with his, for the purpose of wasting cells, his cells in the Muladhara chakra. Due to being excessively stagnant, are sexual feelings the same as feelings of love? They come on stage and then wander around like this. Is this what life is all about? They wander around thinking, but in reality, certain days in Brahmacharya, having completed a full 90 days, they have developed strong attractions. Everything is a diminished reality. They will start to understand. That's why a brother had requested a song. If you read it, it will be a bit clearer. In the existing garden, an old woman, for 4 months praying to the potter, a digger came and danced around it. We are the descendants of those who broke and conquered, they would have said in the garden. What does anti mean? Nandavanam is the natural universe, the 5 elements and types of food. In the garden, there are fruits and vegetables. In that garden, there is a... The ant went inside the man's body. The foods in the garden and all the 5 elements of nature belong to man. After entering the body year after year, a single cell has been produced. Production in the garden of a nun. What do reproductive activities do? The potter has gone out somewhere to whom? How does it go to the mother? For 4 months, I pleaded with the potter back then. What does the potter do? He makes clay pots. Similarly, our mother 4 plus 6. A woman who is 4 months pregnant, inside the womb, the potter that is pleading with the mother little by little, creating with a beautiful chisel. A digger came. What is that digger? Dancing like 1,000 bells ringing. Break it, wear it, break it again. That old man came digging for that. Then, without understanding its value, you act foolishly. They are breaking it with a performance that is, how do they say it, like ants going in a line? For example, a man did that one thing. What about the same thing on television? Even if shown, believing all that to be true, the feeling of wasting our vital energy. If someone does it without, that's it. Isn't everything correct like that? The world moves on, unaware of its own harm, standing firm within ourselves as if saying no. That divine grace of that supreme being. Life realizes itself as a complete entity. This wonderful opportunity has come my way. If you place it, you must break it. So many things to break. Running around for money, that's what it's all about. Similarly, these movies and TV shows, this is wasting magnetic energy. Wasting energy on limitless matters.
We engage in extreme self-indulgence.
Putting things together one after another. What benefit do we get from breaking it? There is no benefit or money in economic terms. Did you see the money running? It's behind. Running won't help. We need to develop our skills. With any matter of yours, take the purpose of life, and for that, continue to develop your skills. Is wealth the reward when you go? If it comes like that, then it will be like that. It will be satisfying. A sculptor carves a sculpture with precision. Concentrate fully on work. If he is determined, his artistic talent increasing day by day now. Techniques to reduce monthly expenses. The discoverer will be the same in 10 to 20 years. Various techniques while carving. A wonder beyond anyone's comprehension. He would sculpt statues just like that. Those who need the statue while filtering. When you seek him, does wealth come on its own? Should we run after money that doesn't come? In developing our talent, we can concentrate and show it to the world. In the way we use, wealth will come naturally when you act. Similarly, a man in Brahmacharya, love while living steadfastly in celibacy. Men in love do not need to run away. We don't have that need for men. Vigor, when present, femininity is with us, borrowing from us. Receiving those cells as a blessing. When it comes naturally to take, will it be permanent for us? Most of the things we search for brought the suffering upon oneself, giving youth and brothers. Next, understand that a brother, he has asked questions sometimes. Brother, the leg is moving on its own. He asked was good, meaning if it comes and dances on its own, then it is. Don't take it too seriously, just a bit of yoga. All the exercises are somewhat deep. A bit like that when you do it, what happens? If it happens, some of the nerves. If there are any shortcomings, let me know. Alright, live prosperously, greetings. Brother, it's been 15 days, brother, self-indulgence. I have been practicing self-indulgence for so many days. I did it, but now I regret it. First time, thanks, brother. This is all I can do in a motivational speech. Definitely get through the days. It is possible for 1,000 days as well. I have confidence that I will get through. I am 25 years old and have been practicing for 8 years. I indulged in self-pleasure, became a man. The organ comes without any reaction. It has completely dried up. If you look at reproductive organs, there are 15. There has been some improvement lately. I feel like I'm becoming like my old self again. I am also scared for myself. Give a motivational speech, brother. Long live. Prosperously, brother. Lifelong like this. If you forget, it's like 1,000 times. I am beginning to feel confident that it will go well. Sometimes when I think about it, it really hurts. It is difficult to live prosperously with reproduction. Part. You are of immense importance. If you give a period of time, otherwise the time will come again. Within this fleeting pleasure, you will end up getting caught. Please be careful. Great importance to that. Do not give up on Brahmacharya. You have reached a maximum of 15 days. In the entirety of life, the body was then the utmost importance we give when it comes to matters of survival. Food is the second necessity for our body. The one who is still alive in the next generation, reproduction is for creation. The necessary things are needed, then these two. Coming to the point, body is very, if you give importance, then you stay strong in Brahmacharya without wasting the cells. When protecting, automatica your reproduction. Everything is falling into place. Is it done? I have done this many times. I have mentioned it in the video, but many brothers are getting confused about this. Don't worry, you are fine. We have made a mistake, indeed our fault then. We are destroying our own legacy. We have left, then it means we have many years. We will destroy it, but in 10 days properly? Is it possible for you to worry? That's wrong. No, because we have done something wrong. Don't worry if it happens like that. There is no mistake, but be firm and resolute about it. Hold on and get through 48 days. If you can adjust, control will come, understand and adjust. When day control comes, 48 days, 48, day 48, you 3 times. If you have overcome it, your life, mostly under your control, you can bring it, live prosperously. Brother with mental strength in Brahmacharya, overcome, achieve greater goals. For all the questions, just like that. A few have replied, because it was used for questions. Let's stop today's video here. 10 days of Brahmacharya ends today. 11 days will be completed again tomorrow. Let's meet daily life prosperously. Everyone stay safe. Stay strong in Brahmacharya. At this time, we need to stay strong. So many of our human thoughts. To provide the strength to protect. Therefore, being strong in Brahmacharya, stay and live prosperously. Music